Hey guys, it's Wolf here. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about my kind of like thesis where all of the money is going to flow in the next bull run. Okay, so first, before we start this video, obviously, so money follows attention. Okay, so attention is money. So eyeballs is money. Okay, so that those who can get attention can get money. For example, if you look at Kim Kardashian, you know, he gets attention. He shows her ass. Okay, and then people want to see that, of course, because it's biologically hardwired for men. They want to see that kind of stuff, so he gets attention, and then he can monetize that attention. Okay, so that's how you make money. Okay, so basically on cryptocurrencies, that the peaks that get attention will freaking skyrocket. If you look here, for example, a couple of peaks that got tons of attention, for example, were Cardano in the last bull run, Matic, and Solana, and these other Shiba Inu, dog tokens, Elon Musk, stuff like that. It got tons of attention, so it made a lot of money, right? So for the next bull run, a couple of narratives, basically, that's going to get tons of attention. Biggest one definitely going to be probably AI. That's going to be absolutely massive. A lot of people are still underestimating AI, so I'm pumping up AI peaks for my portfolios as we speak here. I have tons of peaks that I want to add. Basically, AI is such a new kind of like a paradigm. So there's going to be new projects coming in with AI. So looking out for those, and that's kind of like a no-brainer. Like if you think about like AI, that in the next years or so, AI is going to be massive. Okay, so that's one huge narrative. Another big narrative that has been like kind of like cycle has been repeating. So in the last bear market, people who, so let me show you here. So this is ETH in last bear market. Okay, it was like $100 to $300. Okay, and people who knew that as ETH will get tons of users, the gas fees will go up. So ETH blew up. Okay, but the gas fees blew up also. Okay, so that's why, for example, Matic and Solana and Binance Smart Chain, they went to freaking moon because people wanted to use ETH. Okay, so blockchain, because tons of people were using blockchain, like a bull run is happening, but the transaction fees were too much. Okay, so that's why a lot of those people, aka attention, flowed from ETH to Avalanche. Avalanche was also one, but bigger winners were like Matic, so layer 2 scaling solution for ETH, Binance Smart Chain, and also Solana. Okay, and also the low caps on these just freaking explode, like Binance Coin, Binance Smart Chain peaks, Solana peaks, Avalanche peaks, like Trader Joe, like so in the next bull run, I believe that layer 1 ETH, okay, it will be even more clogged up, even more. Okay, so that that being said, we can like kind of see in the future, in the next bull run, everybody, there's tons of attention, and all of the attention is going to go to layer 2s. ETH will freaking skyrocket. It's in such a position that it will just freaking skyrocket when the bull run happens. Too much transaction fees. People want to go to layer 2s. Okay, so the attention, these are eyeballs. Attention goes to layer 2s, and they will go up like crazy, and the peaks, the low cap peaks on those layer 2s will freaking go nuts. So on layer 1, for example, and kind of like a layer 2, like Arbitrum, Optimism, there's like DeFi is a big one on those ones still. Okay, but if you look at low cost transaction chains, there's more of game type of stuff, gaming and NFT type of stuff. I think gaming and NFT type of stuff on layer 2s, because low transaction cost, they will freaking skyrocket. They will just absolutely skyrocket. Okay, and that because the attention will be a lot bigger than in the next bull run, because there's going to be the technologies more advanced, cryptocurrencies are more available. So here's also then they have to Fed has to print tons of money, basically ridiculous amounts of money. Okay, as the right now they're tightening, but at some point they need to pivot, and then they need to start printing again. So that printing and the technology advancement will be tons of basically value, and that's attention. Okay, attention will flow, prices start to go up when more price go up, more people coming, it becomes this kind of like a loop again. So a couple of things here. So money follows attention, that's the main thing. So if you can identify where the attention is going to be in 1 year, you can always make money. Okay, you can always make money. So if you're good basically spotting trends, that's why my mentors always say, like, they are very, all my mentors that are, these guys are like multi-millionaires, they always, like, they're good, like how they got that is they are very good at spotting trends. They are very good at spotting trends. That's what it truly is, and I believe, like, that's one of my abilities. So layer 2s, I mean, that's just, it's a no-brainer. Also AI is a no-brainer. And within those you can spot even like more trends, like inside the actual layer 2, stuff like that. Now a couple of things where people want to go in the next bull run is low fees. Okay, that's like a no-brainer because people don't want to pay ridiculous fees. People like cheap stuff, because a lot of people don't have money. Also easy to use. Okay, easy to use. It has just it had an EIP called account abstraction, and what basically means that in the near future and in the future you don't need MetaMask and private keys, and you don't need this kind of like a technical stuff to be able to buy and hold cryptocurrencies, because the normal, like, normies can't, people who are not in the cryptocurrencies, they can't use MetaMask, they can't use this stuff. Okay, but so that's going to be massive. So it's going to be easy to use, so that's going to attract basically the masses. And by the way, masses are still not using cryptocurrencies and NFTs, so we're still early, in the sense that we're still early. Okay, but it's when people, it will be too late when people are like, yeah, like NFTs, people are like, yeah, that we are too late. But right now, if you ask NFTs, people literally, it's a scam, it's that. That's where the opportunity is still here. So this is the biggest opportunity in my opinion right now. So, yeah, like, everything will be tokenized, everything will be NFTs, everything will be on chain. So we are like in the middle of this breakthrough. So all of the money will flow into cryptocurrencies. Right now, even if you're struggling financially, you can become extremely wealthy in very like a short period of time if you play your cards right. So by the way, if you want to see, you can check out kind of like I give one of my like massive opportunities. This peak definitely has like 10x to 100x, even 1000. I believe that this could have 1000x potential, but for something to go 1000x, it has to be like there's tons of luck to be there. But I think that this can at least go to like 100x. And this is one of the picks I'm buying. You can check that out. I'm giving it away for free. Check out the first link in the description to kind of like see what kind of tokens I'm buying myself. I'm buying tons of low cap tokens, and that's one of the picks there. And also, so availability, it has to be available. If you look at for example, like Cardano, it had like people like wanted to buy. It's very like it had a perfect narrative. It was clocked up, new layer 1. People look into Cardano, massive like army behind it. It's already listed on every exchange, so it's very available, and people just crazy bought it. Okay, it's easy to like buy, very available, and on exchange also low fees. So this is what kind of like these things need to be in order for it to blow up for the masses, because right now there's tons of people in the cryptocurrencies, right? But the money is being made when like normies, like people who don't like right now cryptocurrencies, they will come and buy. They will come buy your bags, okay, at the very high prices. Okay, so that's where the massive money is made. Okay, so right now we have these little pumps and dumps here. We have this, but this is just crypto traders like being like moronic, right? But the real money is here when the masses come, and that's when the craziness starts to happen. So, basically to make money, you need to spot trends and position yourself correctly. Okay, I think right now the layer 2 opportunity is massive, and yeah, I think that's where the money is going to be. Layer 2 tokens, for example, because there's the mode. People don't like. That's why I have in my membership, I have step-by-step training on MetaMask and how do you get in the different layers, like Optimism, Arbitrum, Matic, and how to breach assets and stuff like that. Because normal people can't use them. So if you go these things and you actually buy some low caps here, that are good. You know, I'm not a financial advisor, but you know, you can do your own research. But when you buy them, they are not listed on exchanges, right? So you can buy from low price, like 0.0005, for example. But when these get listed on exchanges, okay, and normies want to buy them, I mean, it can literally go like 0.50 cents. So that would, for example, be 1000x, right? It can go there. It can. So, you know, if everything just like the supply, everything has to be perfect. So it can't be. No one can find exactly what's going to go like 1000x. But you know, the more like I've been reading lots of like very successful people, it always be like who works the basically who does the most work, and not only hard but smart work. They usually stumble upon lucky events, right? So yeah, you of course need luck, but you know, just say like 100x would be 5 cents, right? So I think it's very possible if it's a great project. So because then normal people will buy massive amounts of volume, aka attention will flow to it. People buy it on exchanges. Also bull run happening, people making money, very euphoric and stuff like that. It can go very far. So that's what I'm looking right now. The markets look very like boring right now. That's what it's going to be in the bear market. It's going to range. The ETH is going to be around. So basically it's all dictated by well, the whole economy. But you know, at this point, I think it will range between, well, let's see here. So here's like $2,000 ETH, and here's like $1,000 ETH, right? I think we're going to just like be like this. Okay, traders will buy and stop, trade and stuff, lose money here constantly. So they want to leverage trade and do their thing. Look at the, like, for example, maybe look at the horse line. Like, I mean, it's just stupid. You draw lines here and you try to think like what's going to happen. Like, think about that. People actually go here and draw freaking lines here. So if this happens, if it goes here, and how they say it, they go say like, okay, so this is a golden cross. So if it goes here, it can literally go up like here. And if it fails, it go down. So what they say is that they have no idea what's going to happen, and it can go up or it can go down. And then people like look at that stuff. I mean, it's ridiculous. So, but you know, everybody has their own thing. But I mean, just, you know, all the people I study like that, because like Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, and you know, Howard Marks and people like that. They don't look at chart. Last thing you want to look at is just a price chart. Like that doesn't, like, you have to spot trends. Okay, and be early, take action, be fearless, have patience, commitment. You know, all these like traits. You know, you basically have to have very good trait. Like, you have to get rid of bad habits, because bad habits will run you down no matter what. So you need to get rid of bad habits and become like basically improve yourself. So the more you learn, the more you earn. That's why I definitely always want to first invest into myself, because always Warren Buffett says, like, a lot of people like say like, you know, if you have like you know, a couple of $1,000 or something like that, the first thing you need to understand is you need to invest into yourself. No, like, if you happen to have the $2,000 and you happen to make a lot of money, you will not know what to do with that money, and you will not know how to get more money because you don't have the skills. So first you need to improve yourself. So the more you learn, the more you earn. So that's why I, for example, buy tons and tons of training and membership and courses. Okay, and you know, that's why I have my own membership training course. Okay, so you can check that out. Also, you will get when you get to the 1000x peaks that I will give you for free. You can also join the local millionaire inner circle, where I go more in depth, because when you pay, you actually pay attention. Okay, so you know, even one low cap pick can literally change your life. I know that it happened in the last bull run. It has happened for me. It has happened for tons of people. So you know, I really like this offer. So for 1 day, you get for 3 days, you can check it out, and if you don't like it, you can cancel it. And if you like it, then it's just $97 a month. Everybody has $97 to invest into your own education. Okay, so I think this is the best, you know, crypto membership opportunity out there. I have subscribed on the all other ones. You know, basically the low cap millionaire opportunity is it's kind of like a short term, but also it's kind of like a year or 2 years for the next bull run. So it's just like a low cap portfolio for the next bull run. And the the edge comes from being early. The edge comes from spotting trends. The edge comes from knowing how to use MetaMatch, Ledger, and how to get to these layer 2s. And that's where the edge comes from. And that's where it's higher risk, but the reward is also extremely high. So I think that anybody who has like a low amount of money, I think this is the way to go. Also, you learn a lot. You learn how to use MetaMask and Ledger and all this stuff. Okay, so you can check it out. First link description. We have hundreds of people there. I really believe in this product because I really like it. I have been here since 2017. I started my crypto channel in 2019, 2020. I started making tons of videos on YouTube, and then in the bull run, I remember people commenting on these videos like, "Wow, how did you spot this thing?" Like the opportunity is always there. It's just like, are you aware of it? And are you willing to like put in the work and do it for you? Like learn more and experience, like just experience different things and just like experiment. Like and overall I believe just like I've been through so much stuff because I've been very action heavy, and I've been doing tons of stuff, taking tons of action, working literally crazy hours. I have put so much work, smart and hard work, and I have gone through so much. So I believe that everything will just work out. Okay, so you don't have to be constantly like so upbeat and just like so like all over like stressed out and everything like that, because the opportunity is there. You just have to like calm your freaking mind and just stay patient, look out for the opportunities, take the opportunities. And usually what I have learned, and I have studied, like I've been saying, I've studied tons of people, the money usually comes in different ways than you think that it will come. Okay, for example, I remember in 2020 in the bear market, we were in the bear market, then the bull run started, and then the money was it's insane. And the picks that I really think about that will do well didn't do that well, but the picks that I didn't think about will do well, they freaking went insane. And then also some picks that I thought that will do extremely well, and I have a lot of those. But then there's those like black swans that things just happen. Okay, so you just have to take opportunities. And right now I believe that the opportunity is there. The opportunity is definitely there with cryptocurrencies, NFTs, AI. It's just a matter of time. Will you put in the work, and will you cash out on the other side as the thing, the trend will play out. So that's the trend. There's more to it, but I hope this was helpful. So yeah, there's tons of trends happening in crypto space. I can't spot them all, but I spot the things that I'm really looking into, and I try to expand my horizon. Right now, for example, I'll be looking. There's Shiba layer 2, Shibarium, the Shiba layer 2 is happening. There could be something there, but there's just so much also when it comes to like low caps. There's so many like stupid scam projects, like literally just insanely stupid stuff. So it has to be like, you have to still be kind of like go through there and really take your time there. But I'm going through the low caps. If you want to see the low caps I'm buying myself, check out the first link in the description, and you get the one low cap here. I think it's massive potential. And then you can also check out the low cap millionaire inner circle. I don't know if I'm going to keep this, but I still want to. I got so many emails about the $1, because I understand when you buy something new, you want to test it out first. So I really like that idea, and I know some people don't have that much money, so it's just like a great to check it out. Anyway, I really believe in this, and I'm not a financial advisor. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for checking out this video if you're still watching this, and peace out. Okay, see you tomorrow.